Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite now. Let's see what's going on with your life, Capricorn. What's the message that wants to show through for you today? And these are general collective readings, Capricorn, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. And welcome back, all my subscribers and newbies. Welcome in. This is just a small little 9-card spread, but your longer readings are coming and some have been put up. I'll leave links at the end of the video, okay? And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Capricorn, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So, Capricorn, the cards I have on the table right now are the 10 of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, the Fool, 2 of Wands, 2 of Cups, the World, Knight of Cups, and the High Priestess. Alright, bottom of my spread I have the 8 of Swords in reverse, which is wonderful. No more stressing about a situation, no more overthinking. So let's put this card here, and from what I see, that there was a potential for a happily ever after, a brand new beginning, but somebody is feeling a little foolish about the mistake, about the choice made, because I think they're feeling they lost out on a beautiful, wonderful person here. They don't want to shut this chapter down. They want to come back with a love offer and reveal what they really feel. So let's see what's going on. Let's take a few dialogue message cards and see if you guys could say something to each other, Capricorn, what that would be. Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person, Spirit. Thank you. Capricorn and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other right now. Thank you. And let's take a couple more from here, Capricorn. All right, thank you. Okay, Capricorn, good to go. Let's start with our first card here. Nothing is more terrifying and simultaneously delightful than having to bear witness of how our two distinctive souls are joined energetically for eternity. I understand if you're feeling scared, because it scares the F out of me too. So both are feeling the connection, but whatever decision one person has made now, maybe of not choosing the other or something, they're feeling rather foolish about it. But energetically, you both feel the pull. I'm a passionate sexual creature in my prime, but thanks to your continual running, I've been left burning up with fire. I can't even talk with anyone else without your sexual energy being all over me. If you want me, come and take me. Somebody is coming back. That much I can see. Somebody does want to return. I think after they didn't make that choice. Would you just stop holding back? Lay it all on me. I want you to reveal your true self to me. Tell me your hopes, your dreams, your fears, your vulnerabilities, what makes you tick, and what you truly desire. I think this card came for you last time as well, Capricorn, if I'm not mistaken. So maybe your person or vice versa, they haven't really opened up, and the other person is saying, hey, come on, let's just make this, more transparent, and let's be together. Why do you hide from me? Why do you run from me? Okay. Oh, you got a lot of cards. You're holding us back because of your self-worth issues and inability to forgive yourself. I've forgiven you. Would you just forgive yourself already? Let's live our life together, free from the past. No one is perfect. I feel so guilty when I'm intimate with anyone else. During sex, all I can think about is you. I get so high thinking of you, and it's only ever you that makes me orgasm. I like so many things about you that I don't even know how to tell you that I love everything about you. I think that you were made for me, and I was made for you. I can't bear the thought of you being with someone else. I get so jealous. I just want you to be mine. I want us to build trust and work on a foundation of friendship before we have a romantic and sexual relationship. I haven't been happy for a long time. Please make time for me. We see this from two different perspectives. Okay, so if this is any of these messages are resonating for you, Capricorn, let's see what's going on here. Let's see what the story is. So 10 of Cups with the Ace of Pentacles, Spirit. 10 of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. Yes, there was a potential, I think, of the 10 of Cups, but somebody didn't take action, or they let it go and left the other person feeling single. Yes, I think they wanted to go and see what else was out there. They released this connection, even though the potential was there. This was like happy, 10 of Cups, with the promise of stability. Somebody kind of let it go and turned their back on having this new beginning. 9 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, Spirit. Yes, they never gave this person the offer that was required at that point. There was a person here, I think, maybe Capricorn, this could be you. Maybe this was the person that you've let go of. Somebody who was beautiful, who was independent. 9 of Pentacles is the energy of a person who's glowing, and anybody would want a person like that. And somebody had that opportunity, but they never gave the offer. They let that chance go. And now somebody is, I think, feeling foolish at the choice that they made. They let go of a partnership which could have been beautiful, and now I think they're recognizing that. Fool, Spirit. Why is the Fool here with the 2 of Wands? Why is the Fool here with the 2 of Wands? One more. Now they recognize that they actually do have love for the person. Now they're feeling, oh my God, I made such a foolish mistake. I want this person, the 9 of Pentacles person, now to come back into my life. Somebody is very, very restless here, wondering what work to put in here now to get back their Ace of Cups. So 2 of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Why is the 2 of Cups in reverse? Why is the 2 of Cups in reverse? Because somebody didn't want to take on responsibility maybe of a relationship at one point. They didn't want to be burdened maybe with a commitment, and this led to a imbalance in this connection and a loss of this beautiful partnership that could have been. But the chapter is still open, or somebody doesn't want to close it. Why is the World in reverse, Spirit? Why is the World in reverse? Yes, somebody wants to have a beginning and a restart of this connection. They don't want to shut this chapter down. They don't want to shut this chapter down. So why not, Spirit? Why not? Why not? Why not? What's this rebirth that they want? Yeah, because I think by not making that decision, they are now understanding that they did not make the wise choice. They made a very, very foolish mistake, and they want to be coming out of this hermit mode now and come back to the person who they've recognized as to be the person they actually do love. So I think now this person is planning to come back for a restart or a new beginning. Knight of Cups, Spirit. Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups, Knight of Cups, I think they were trying to control the situation at one point regarding this commitment. So that's the reason maybe you guys maybe were kind of broke up or whatever. Somebody here was trying to be controlling about this commitment, but now they've realized, hey, now they want things to move. They want good luck to come back into their life. I think this person has been bored and lonely and sad after making that decision, and they're not happy at all. They're not happy at all that you guys are not coming back together. There is no happiness left anymore, and they are desperately now wanting to come back and kind of win over this Queen of Pentacles person once again. So with High Priestess in reverse, Spirit, it seems in the past maybe they didn't listen to their intuition, and now they want to come and reveal all. Yes, they've had some kind of an epiphany now, and they've realized that I don't like this delay that's happening in our connection. I don't want to be single, and yes, I want a brand new beginning. They don't want this chapter to end, because earlier maybe they were trying to control that commitment that was supposed to be given, or say that you want to be with me, and because they didn't do that, they lost out on a beautiful love. Now this person has realized who their love is. They are bored and lonely and sad. They don't want to be in this stressful place, thinking about what they've lost, and they want to have a restart and a re-beginning again. What's this new beginning all about, Spirit? Yeah, fresh new beginning, leap of faith. Let's just jump off the cliff together. So that's where this person is at. Let's just take one blessing card from the angels and see how they're going to bless this reading. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Capricorn, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, triumphant. Somebody wants to have victory with you once again, Capricorn. If this is the person who didn't commit to you earlier, and they're definitely coming back, they want to win you over again. Or if this is you, if you are going, you will have victory. I mean, the angels are blessing you with a card of victory, joy, and abundance. So that's all I have for you, Capricorn. All the best. Let me know if it resonated with a like or a comment. It would be really helpful. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.